In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a link to an image in Webflow. So first, open up your site in webflow.com. Then next, in the left panel, go to the page where you want your image to be. Then next, click on the Add button and look for the image element. Drag it onto your canvas. Now first, choose your image from the Assets panel and do all the necessary adjustments that you need. You can adjust the size and its appearance. And now right click on your image element. Then hover your mouse on Wrap It In. Then choose Link Block. Then next click on the gear icon beside Link Block and click on the URL text box. And this is where you can manually add your link. You can also set it to open in new tab so that whenever a user clicks on your image, they will be redirected to the exact URL you entered in a new tab. And not just that, you can even link this image to a page or to a section or to an email or a phone, depending on where you want to link it. But for external websites, you can directly paste the URL in this text box. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!